Bobby, Bobby, Bobby!
Hey guys, Kat's gonna cut my hair today because since the quarantine started, I haven't gotten a haircut in probably, I don't know, a couple months.
Couple months.
And
well, we've only been in quarantine for 3 weeks, so you have no excuse.
Yeah, my barber is closed right now, so this is the next best thing. We bought a kit off of Amazon.
So we're gonna be using this, and these. And my prior experience is little to none. I watched a YouTube video tutorial before this. I'm definitely qualified.
So I don't really know what kind of cut I'm gonna get, but I usually have it short, kind of fade on the sides, and then keep it slightly long on top. But as you can see, it's gotten pretty long and crazy. We'll see what kind of cut Kat gives me. I don't know what's gonna happen, but hopefully it turns out good. Oh yeah, looks really good. How was it, Kat? How was the, I don't know.
Pretty easy.
Pretty easy?
Yeah, I thought it was gonna take a lot longer, but...
How long was that, like half hour-ish?
Yeah, maybe a half hour, a little bit more. But I thought it was gonna take like over an hour.
I think you did a good job.
Yeah, it's easy.
Looks even, it's styled the way I like it, the length is the way I like it, and yeah, the fade is very smooth. Do you have any tips for people doing it for the first time?
Don't cut too much, but it's okay because no one's gonna see him for another month.
Yeah, except for you guys. So yeah, thanks for watching, subscribe, and we'll have more ideas for stuff to do during the quarantine.
Bye!